well. Hi, everyone. Mike Pace here. Thanks so much for joining us here, as always, on Live Now, as we continue to bring you top stories, headlines, all in the mix right now. Of course, we're following the latest there out of New York City, but also we are following the current president's son right now, Hunter Biden, pleading not guilty on all gun charges against him in federal court today. We want to continue this conversation here on Live Now from Fox and bring in Fox News' Madeline Rivera with the very latest.
Good afternoon, Mike. Hunter Biden was only in court for about 30 minutes. Nothing at all like his appearance here in July when his plea deal dramatically broke down. Hunter Biden pleading not guilty in federal court on Tuesday to 3 felony counts related to a gun purchase from 2018. He's been charged with lying about his drug use on a form to buy the weapon, lying to an employee at the gun shop, and then illegally possessing the gun. In July, his attorneys indicated he was ready to plead guilty in exchange for a deal that involved probation and participation in a pretrial diversion program. Republicans called it a sweetheart deal, and a judge ultimately rejected the agreement. Special counsel David Weiss says the deal is null and void, though Hunter's attorney believes it's valid.
Once you basically have a deal like this collapse in court and you break off any agreement with the Department of Justice, they tend to go at you full bore.
Some Republicans have accused Weiss of moving slowly on the case, suggesting he's operating with interference from the White House. Attorney General Merrick Garland says that's not the case.
David Weiss is a long-standing career prosecutor, and he was appointed by Mr. Trump as the United States Attorney for the District of Delaware. I promised at my nomination hearing that I would continue him on in that position.
Hunter Biden faces up to 25 years in prison if convicted on all counts, but that's unlikely given no prior felonies. Mike.
Madeline, the president has been tight-lipped there about his son and his legal battles as well as his drug addiction battles. But will the questioning from the media continue to maybe ramp up now that the president, of course, is in a run for 2024?
Yeah, Mike, we'll have to see. The White House press briefing is about to start, so we'll see if Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre has anything to say about this. The White House has said before, though, that the president says he loves his son and supports him as he recovers and tries to rebuild his life. Regardless, though, this could bring up some political liability for the president heading into 2024. Hunter Biden's business dealings are at the center of an impeachment inquiry by House Republicans. To date, though, Republicans have found no evidence of wrongdoing by the president. Mike?
All right, Madeline Rivera breaking it all down for us on the latest there with Hunter Biden. We always appreciate it, Madeline. Thanks so much for that.